Okay, I hope you're ready to get political because today I am going to be talking about Vermin Supreme, the only U.S. presidential candidate to have a certified zombie apocalypse protocol. Vermin Supreme is, of course, a deranged hobo that has been running for president for a very long time, and I think that he may be deserving of your vote than other candidates are. So I would like to explain and convince to you that because of his amazing policies and his satirical purpose, that he would be a good person to cast your vote for. I have been an election judge in the past, and also my mother works in political science, so I have a bit of background in the area. If you may not know, hundreds of people run for president every year. You just don't hear about most of them. A lot of these are called fringe candidates, fringe or perennial candidates. That means a candidate that has no logical chance of getting a significant number of votes each year, but they have their own purposes, and they still continue to run. And one, of course, is this delightful boot-wearing Vermin Supreme. So what I'd like to touch upon first is Vermin Supreme's purpose, original purpose, which was the dissatisfaction of American citizens with the two-party political system. A lot of people completely dislike this system. They do not like it at all. It makes them very unhappy. And there seems to be nothing done to change that, or there seems to be no improvement in this system, and there hasn't been for a long time. It's been stagnating. As we see, especially in the last election, the 2016 presidential election, both candidates were generally across the board very unfavorable, and yet the two other main third party, the third parties were not voted for very much at all. Of course, the Green Party and the Libertarian Party, they were not voted for very much, even with the unpopularity of these candidates, which means that a change is seemingly impossible, and I think that is wrong. Only 46% of Americans are satisfied with the way democracy is working in the United States, which is a very low number. It is less than the majority of Americans, which is disappointing. And a lot of Americans feel as though they are losing in more than on each side, no matter which one wins, Democratic or Republican. People on both sides, the majority, are feeling like they're losing, which shouldn't be something that happens. People should feel empowered that of their choices in the U.S. government. And after somebody gets elected, you should not feel as though you have lost. So, yes, that is a serious problem. Another serious problem is that Vermin Supreme has been running for the last 30 years. So he's been running ever since the 90s, and he has not to this day gotten elected for U.S. president, which I just think is a serious problem. It is just crazy to me. He has, so I think that we should change that, and but it was just until the past couple of years, actually, during all that time, that he actually gained a lot of his notability. So before the 2016 election, he hadn't really been noted at all, but he's still been running and running for decades, even without his now notability. So he is a man of policy, and his policies are incredible, and they're one reason why you should definitely vote for him. Of course, we have the zombie apocalypse protocol, in which he plans to take all the zombies and put them on a giant energy wheel, like hamster wheels, so we can get the energy from them, of course, so we can reduce our dependence on foreign energy and oil. He has a federal pony identification program, which means every American gets a free pony, and this pony will be used as your identification, and this is of course a job creator for a lot of Americans, which is just fantastic. And you will have to have your pony with you at all times. He has a big thing. He believes that America's ability lies within its ability to bite back. So he is very concerned about the moral and oral decay of our country. So he is very adamant about his mandatory toothbrushing laws. And he looks into time travel research, of course. Other candidates may say that they may go back in time to assassinate Hitler. Vermin Supreme guarantees it. He will absolutely do that, and he's looking into that. So Vermin Supreme is a satirical solution to the current stagnation that we have in our country. He sends a critical and satirical message about the dysfunctional political system, and this common citizen, in his own strange way, is protesting. And I think that we should be a part of his message. I feel as though when people would rather not vote for either candidate, the two terrible candidates that you're handed, they'd rather vote for no one at all. I feel that there's a serious problem, and I feel like Vermin Supreme is the solution to this. For he can say that we are unhappy with our current political environment. The U.S. president, he also says in his message that he has no intentions of keeping any of the promises that he makes, and this is, of course, a mockery and a parody of real political candidates who often will say things but not do anything in office. They will often not follow through with their promises. So he acts as the jester in our presidential candidates, and I think that we should vote for him to protest. So I think that I just want you to think about sending a message in this 2020 coming up election. I think that you should vote for Vermin and become a part of his message and say to the world, first thing, that you want a free pony, but second thing, that you are very unhappy with the current dual-party political environment that we have in America. Thank you.